Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing my nails. Yes, I said it, my nails. Now this is only my second time doing my nails, so I'm not a pro. So let's get into it. Okay, so I purchased this Sugar Nail Kit Powder Dip Kit from Amazon. It is very affordable. If you are interested in doing your own nails, I would recommend purchasing. So I'll be using this white, and then I'm going to use step 1, which is the bond. Step 2, which is the base. Step 3, which is the activator. Step 4 was a top coat, and step 5 is a saver. It's just the extra brush that comes with the kit. I'll also be using this glitter powder as well. Now I'm going in just buffing out my nail because I did just have on a different set of nails, but I took them off to film this video. Now I'm going to dust off this remaining powder using this paper towel. Now I'm going to push my cuticles back before I apply my nail tips. Okay, so now I will be sizing each nail tip to fit my nail. I also purchased this nail glue from Amazon. I will be linking everything I used in this video down below if you guys are interested in doing your own nails at home. Okay, now I'm going to use this nail filer that came with the kit just to file down the nail bed so everything will lay out smoothly once I apply my acrylic. Okay, so now I'm going to cut them down to a medium size, which I prefer. Okay, now this is what everything is looking like now that I applied the nail tips and trimmed them down. Okay, now I'm going to be applying number 1, which is the bond. This is just to protect your real nail, so you just apply it on the real nail under the nail tip. Okay, now once I'm done with step 1, I'm going to go in with step 2, which is the base, and I'm going to apply that base onto my nail, then dip it into the powder. I'm going to keep doing this same step for all of my nails until I get the thickness that I like. And right now I'm going to keep repeating step 2 until I achieve the nail look I desire. And again, if you do plan on purchasing this nail kit, it does come with instructions if you find it hard from watching this video. Now, do you see how that is uneven? I'm just going to go in with step 2 and dip it in the powder again just to even that out. Okay, so now it's coming along. And again, I am applying step 2 about 3 times just so I can have a nice thickness to my nails. You don't want them all thin. Okay, now on to step 3. Step 3 is the activator, which will harden the nail up. It only takes a few seconds for this activator to harden the nail. Once the nail is hard, I'm going to use this nail filer just to smooth out my nail. And this drill set that I have, this was actually a gift. If you guys are interested in getting one, I'm pretty sure they have one on Amazon that is similar to this one. Before I apply the clear gel, I dust off all of the remaining powder. Now I'm going to use this UV LED nail lamp to dry my nails. And I purchased this lamp from Amazon. I'm going to apply these rhinestones to two of my fingernails just to make my nails pop. Now I'm starting on the next hand where I'm going to be applying glue so that I can add on my rhinestones. And this is what they look like now before I'm done drying them. And this is the finished look. Thank you so much for watching my video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you. Bye.